Hi everyone. I wanted to show you a way that we are going to move forward in terms of how to schedule appointments with Mrs. Seiler to do tutorials. I can always reach me via email and Remind and inboxing in Canvas. But sometimes you need a little bit more than what an email can help you with. And so I encourage you to schedule tutorials with me so that we can discuss via Teams any of the issues that you may be having. Okay, so that being said, we want to make sure that we are, able to schedule as many as possible. So I'm going to show you how we're going to do this. You have a couple options. One is you're going to start with your lesson modules page where you start every day when you're looking at the day's lessons. And from here, you have really two options. You can choose to go to the class hub, or you can choose to go to the current week. So I'm going to show you first in the class hub, there is this green help button. You're going to click that, and that is going to take you to the link. Or you can go in through the current week, which is always, identified with some little icon here. You go in, give it a minute, it'll take you right to that week. And at the top of our current week, I always put this tutorial sign up thing as well as the link to the live class. But this is the one for the tutorial sign up. You're going to click on this big green button that says to schedule a Teams meeting. And this is going to take you to what's called my booking page. And you can select two different kinds of appointments. You can select a quick question appointment that is about 10 minutes long, or you can select I need more help, some tutorial, some academic assistance, and that is 30 minutes long. So when you click these, it brings up the appointment times that are available on the calendar. So you can check any of these days and you can see all the appointment times that are available. I'm going to choose this afternoon, say at 3:30. I just have a quick question that's only going to take me about 10 minutes. You're going to enter your name and an email. And I would use your school email address for this, because I think if you use your school email, it'll put it on your calendar. I'm not 100% sure until some more kids sign up for this for me to know. So after you do that, you're going to click book. You're going to also make sure when here, while I'm waiting for this, it says which topic or assignment do you need help with. Make sure you tell me specifically what it is that you're asking about, if it's a particular assignment or if it is a topic that you're having problems with. That'll allow me to pull up that assignment and get all ready for our appointment, so I don't waste any time doing that. So then you're going to click OK. And you can see here it confirms that Monday, November 9th, I have an appointment at 3:30 for 10 minutes via Teams. I can reschedule this, I can cancel it, and I can make another appointment if I wanted to. Okay. Then you as a student are going to get an email that says you have a confirmed booking at this time, and here is the link. And so you'll click on that when your appointment time is. And I have it set up to also send you a reminder 15 minutes before the appointment. Okay. And then I see it here on my calendar. See how it popped up? So I know that after, my pre-AP biology classes, I have a quick question from Richard Seiler. That's my husband, by the way. And I have a Teams meeting, and I click that and we join. So it is a really streamlined way so that everybody can get the help that they need, and we can schedule it all out. And all that stuff. So this will be really helpful, and it allows it to where it blocks out time where I'm unavailable. I think I'm also going to do some lunch times here so that I can help as many kids as I can, especially with so many of us being remote right now because of the high COVID rates. I just want to make sure that everybody is getting the help that they need and that you are not sitting at home struggling. Okay, so make sure you use this tool to get the help that you need. Okay. All right, guys, talk soon.